Looking for the best server control panel? Well, today we're going to have a look at EasyPanel, Coolify, cPanel, and Portainer. We want to know what they actually offer and why you should be using them. So let's check them out. Okay, we're having a look at EasyPanel now. So EasyPanel has a modern interface for deploying apps, managing your database, as well as your SSL certificates. It's powered by Docker technology, which supports multiple programming languages, including Node.js, Python, PHP, and Ruby. Let's get into a little bit more detail. So you can see over here that EasyPanel has some core features and automations which are quite notable. First of all, it has a flexible deployment options. So it supports Heroku build packs and custom Docker files for ultimate flexibility. It also seamlessly integrates with GitHub, enabling automated CI/CD workflows, and it has direct server access for management and real-time log viewing. It has free auto-renewing Let's Encrypt SSL certificates with a checkbox. You can also see over here that it has a database management system, so such as MySQL certs, industry standard relational database management system. And then it also has advanced open source relational database. It has a popular NoSQL document database, and it has in-memory data structure stores for caching. It also has an in-browser client for database commands, automated backups, also to local or even S3 storage. Okay, so having a look at Coolify, which is a self-hosted platform as a service that simplifies resource management. Its clean dashboard provides an intuitive interface for deploying as well as managing web applications. The platform is also designed to work seamlessly with both Docker-based and traditional web applications, and this flexibility allows developers to leverage the benefits of containerization while still supporting legacy systems. By abstracting away the complexities of infrastructure management, Coolify empowers teams to focus on more building great products rather than managing servers. The PaaS handlers tasks like SSL and TLS configuration, load balancing, and even scaling frees up developers to be more productive. It has a powerful API configuration. It also has CI/CD integration and role-based access. This means you can collaborate effectively with admins, developers, and even viewer permission tiers, which allows everybody to have the access that they need. It is a one-click application, so you can actually deploy WordPress, Ghost blogs, and even plausible analytics with minimal configuration. You can automatically deploy applications from code repositories with full CI/CD support, and you can run various database services through a consistent user-friendly interface. Okay, so let's have a look at cPanel. So cPanel stands as the industry-leading web hosting control panel, empowering millions of website owners worldwide with its comprehensive suite of tools. Through its intuitive dashboard interface, cPanel actually centralizes all aspects of website management. This eliminates the need for technical expertise in server administration. So whether you're a small business owner, professional developer, or just a digital agency, cPanel's reliability and user-friendly approach really makes managing website accessibility to everyone. It's also regardless of your technical background. You can also see over here some of their core features is the ability to upload, edit, and organize website files through an intuitive browser interface. You can create automatic backups and restore files with a single click. This eliminates FTP complexity. You can also create professional email accounts with your domain name, configure forwarders, autoresponders, and also spam filters. You can also access webmail directly from your cPanel dashboard. And then the last thing over here is that you can easily create and manage MySQL and PostgreSQL databases through PHP, MyAdmin. You can also import and export data, run queries, and optimize database performance without command line knowledge. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is their advanced security tools. So cPanel provides robust security features that safeguard your website against common threats as well as vulnerabilities. The intuitive security dashboard centralizes all protection tools in one accessible location. This means that you don't have to bounce from one app to the next so that you can keep your website and everything else safe. So let's look at Portainer. It has universal container management capabilities. It offers a unified web user interface for managing containers across platforms. It handles Docker, Swarm, and Kubernetes from one central location. You can deploy in cloud, on-premises, or even hybrid environments with equal ease. You can deploy, scale, monitor, and also configure container settings through an intuitive interface. You can also work across cloud services, local deployments, and also hybrid infrastructures. You can see over here, you can pull and push container images from Docker, Hub, or even custom repositories. You can manage image versions as well and tags through the very easy to use user interface. You can also create and configure container networks with visual tools. You can connect containers across environments seamlessly. You can manage persistent storage for containers through a unified interface, and you can also monitor volume usage as well as performance metrics quickly and easily. Let's have a look at some of their security and access controls. So they do offer role-based access. You can assign permissions based on team roles and responsibilities. You can control who can deploy, modify, or even view containers. You can integrate with LDAP, OA, or OAuth, and other enterprise systems. It also implements two-factor authentication for additional security layers, and you can track all container actions for compliance requirements. This allows you to maintain detailed logs of user activities. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, a software comparison. Now you can actually see what benefits and features are offered, and you can make a decision as to which one is best for you according to your own needs. My personal advice is to go out and use them all. See what works for you in a real life scenario and then make a decision thereafter. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.